Assalamu alaikum friends, in this video I will show you how to turn your image to cartoon for free. First open your browser and search for styler.ai. Click on new project, import images, import image, adjust the image on canvas, click image to image, choose style, dreamy 3D. Now click on stylize. Select the image, click place on canvas. To save this image, right click, click save as image. Let's try another image. Again repeat the steps. Click image to image, choose style and stylize. Now select the image which do you want. Click place on canvas. Save this image. Subscribe now and thanks for watching.